The portable power station 3600W PowerMax 3600SA, paired with two 500W solar panels, offers a versatile solution for individuals seeking reliable power in various outdoor or emergency situations. Designed with mobility in mind, this power station presents a compact option for those who require energy on the go, whether for camping trips, tailgating events, or during power outages at home. The PowerMax 3600SE features a substantial 3600Wh capacity, which provides ample energy to support multiple devices simultaneously. This capability makes it suitable for activities that require higher energy demands, such as powering a mini fridge, charging laptops, or running small appliances. The unit comes equipped with various outputs, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC outputs, catering to a diverse range of devices and charging needs. One of the notable aspects of this power station is its compatibility with the included solar panels. Each panel is rated at 500W, allowing for efficient solar charging that can enhance the unit's self-sufficiency. This feature is especially valuable for outdoor enthusiasts who may spend extended periods away from traditional power sources. The solar panels can be deployed easily, making setup straightforward for users who might not be technically inclined. In terms of usability, the PowerMax 3600SA is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The interface is intuitive, featuring a clear display that indicates remaining battery life and output usage. This allows users to monitor their energy consumption effectively and manage their power needs accordingly. Additionally, the unit is equipped with safety features such as short-circuit protection, ensuring that devices remain secure while in operation. When it comes to maintenance, the portable power station is relatively low maintenance, requiring only periodic checks to ensure optimal performance. Users should be mindful of regular charging, especially if using the solar panels, to keep the battery at a healthy level. In conclusion, the portable power station 3600W PowerMax 3600SE with two 500W solar panels presents a practical option for those in need of portable energy solutions. With its significant power capacity, multiple outputs, and supportive solar charging capabilities, it stands as a versatile companion for both recreational activities and unexpected situations. Overall, this product may be a worthwhile consideration for individuals seeking reliable, off-grid power.